Catastrophic Creations started as a hobby in Portland, Oregon. After bringing our 2 kittens home, we had trouble finding quality, fun, and functional cat furniture that enhanced the look of our home. Our solution was building our own furniture for them using stained wood and canvas fabric. After seeing how much our cats loved it, we decided to make it available to cat owners worldwide by selling it on Etsy. The furniture has been a huge hit with pet owners, and our business has grown tremendously in the past 2.5 years, receiving international attention. Some of our most popular items come from our collection of wall-mounted fabric cat complexes. We've received a lot of positive feedback about these complexes, but we have also been listening closely to our customers about what could be improved. We've been hard at work for over a year trying to figure out how to solve these issues, and the result is our new modular cat wall system. These complexes evoke feline instinct, allowing cats to climb up high on the wall, giving them the vertical space they crave. The tall sisal-lined poles give cats a positive outlet for their natural instinct to scratch. The furniture can also help with territorial issues in homes with multiple cats, as well as giving them a haven away from children and dogs. With our patent-pending design, we have completely re-engineered the product. Our new brackets hide all mounting hardware from view, adding a sleek look to our complexes. Our 100% cotton canvas fabric can now be easily removed for washing. All our complexes are mounted to the wooden studs that sit behind drywall. The standard spacing is 16 inches on center in US homes, the next common distance being 24 inches. We have placed grommets down the fabric in 8-inch increments so that these complexes will work for almost any stud spacing. With this new system, people can build complexes for their cats based on our templates, or they can get creative and design custom feeling fortresses themselves with limitless options. It works great for people with limited space to devote to their cats, and also for people who want to build gigantic cat walls. Our modular system allows for starting small and then adding on in the future. With our interchangeable accessories, cat lovers can easily add items like food dishes and sisal poles to their complexes. We build all of our furniture out of our wood shop in Grand Rapids, Michigan. To be able to sell this product at a competitive price, we need to purchase all of the custom mounting hardware and sewn canvas in bulk. With your support, we will be able to bring this project to life.
The neighborhood has a lot of homeless kitties running around, not to mention my own that likes to sneak out from time to time. I always feel for them in the fall and winter. Then I found the Outdoor Kitty House from K&H. Available both heated or unheated, this unique shelter is ideal for garages, porches, barns, decks, and sheds. It assembles with ease in a matter of minutes, and no tools are needed. Simply unwrap, zip on the roof, and secure the walls with the hook and loop adhesive strips. The heated model includes a 20-watt K&H heated electro-soft weatherproof bed to ensure your cat stays warm and comfortable. It also includes a washable fleece cover that will help your pet feel cozy and warm, even during bad weather. Test the heat pad with a pillow by covering half of it for 30 minutes. Feel the uncovered side and then under the pillow to feel the sensational warm comfort your pet experiences. This kitty house also has 2 entrances, so if an unwanted visitor shows up at their front door, the kitty can escape quickly out the back. The K&H Outdoor Kitty House is warm and safe. I got my cat the exclusive Outdoor Kitty House from K&H. And let's just say, I feel a lot better about my outdoor kitties with 4 walls and a roof over their head.